What's up guys? Today's a sunny day here in Dubai, UAE, still in a lockdown mode, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna stop creating. So today we are going to be unboxing the Canon EOS R. Now, a quick overview of this camera. I'm pretty sure that you guys have been researching on Google or YouTube. A lot of professional photographers and videographers are happy using this Canon EOS R. When it was announced, there's been a mixed emotion about this camera, but right now it has established its position in the market. Popular YouTubers are using it now. By the way, I am a Canon EOS 7D user since 2011. Now, that system has been announced and or released by the Canon company last September 2009, and I have acquired it a couple of years after. I'm very happy with it. 18 effective megapixel CMOS sensor. It has some navigation tools on it. Probably gonna take a bit of time to study it, but trust me, I've been using it since 2011 and I'm very happy with it. So let's start. Cool. So let's get that done. Okay. I'm doing this inside my room because depending on which country or region right now, we are in a lockdown here in Dubai, UAE. Get that done. Right, opening the box now. On the side, you'll see the Canon warranty. I purchased this from the Canon store in Dubai Mall, and they have given me a really good deal. This is the kit product that I took. I didn't go for the body only, simply because they're giving away the RF 24-105mm f4. So that's an L lens, and it has stabilizer and a mount adapter where you can use your old Canon lenses if you have them sitting around. So don't worry about your old lenses, you can still use it, you can still mount it on the new Canon EOS R system, simply because they're throwing in the mount adapter in the kit. So, not sure if you can see that. Some UAE TRA registered number, don't know what that is. So that's some of the specifications and barcodes. At the back, you'll see that they have mentioned the contents. Right at the bottom right, you'll see the dual pixel CMOS AF. It is now capable of shooting at 4K 30 or ultra high definition for that matter. And it is also a Wi-Fi certified now, has a Bluetooth, HDMI and a PicBridge software. Cool. So let's dive into the box. So what's inside the box, guys? So this is the Canon mount adapter for the EF lenses, right? Okay, so let's just put that outside the box for now. A box within the box, pretty cool. Okay, so let's just open this small box. Again, all mentioned right there, it's already outside the box anyway. Same barcodes, and let's get that box open. So typically when you purchase a device or a product, you'll get this bunch of pages for the manual. I mean, who uses manual nowadays? You can YouTube it. Alright, you know what? Let's just put this all outside the box. Getting excited. Hey, can you see Iron Man? You should see Iron Man. Okay, so let's start. Alright, let's start with this mount adapter. Okay, so I'm going to be opening this now. Got the mount adapter box. Can you read it? Okay, so basically this is the multilingual mount adapter instruction. This is the mount adapter for the EF EOS R instructions. And this, my friends, is your gateway. Okay. I find this very important. I find this as an essential tool, because if you have been shooting, or if you're a professional, beginner, intermediate photographer, if you have those old lenses sitting around, then you won't hesitate buying these kind of systems or the following systems, because they throw in this mount adapter. You'll be able to use your old lenses. So let's just try to open that. So that's the mount cap. See that? Yeah. So it's just hollow. Okay. The other cap. Okay. See, it's Canon Incorporated, made in Taiwan. Cool. Okay, there you go. So this is the cable that comes within the kit. So you've got this Type-C cable, but if you have some Type-C cable lying around, where some of the mobile devices are having a default cable. You can use that too. You've got this battery called LP-E6N. Again, if you have a Canon system previously, you're using a Canon LP-E6 rather, then you can easily use it in the same system, the same EOS R. Okay, and if you have a charger for it from the previous system, you can also charge this LP-E6N on it. However, it also comes with its default Canon charger, so no worries about that. I'm gonna put that on top. Okay, so let's go to the lens. The kit also includes the Canon L lens, which is 24 to 105 f4 aperture. This is already a fantastic lens, to be honest with you, but the problem with this is you can't go less than f4 aperture. So meaning to say, if you're trying to shoot portrait, you won't get that shallow depth of field, or what they call the bokeh. However, this can be a run and gun lens, from my personal opinion. If you're shooting wedding, if you're shooting wide angle or landscape photography or videography, this is already a very good lens. But if you want to upgrade to a higher end lens later on, then go for it. If you're on a budget, you can also look into getting an alternative lenses from Sigma. They're also a good glass maker. I actually have a macro lens from Sigma with the 50mm 2.8, and it's fantastic. I've been shooting macro subjects, insects. Now this is not a full review of the Canon EOS R. Now a quick overview. It also includes a Canon lens hood, which is this one. I'm going to be assembling this later on. It has an interface cable protector. To be honest with you, I don't know how to use it yet, but I'll figure it out. No worries about that. It includes the Canon strap that has its name on it. Pretty cool. That's about it, guys. So again, a quick overview. You've got this interface cable protector, an AC cable, you've got the lens mount with dust covers, you've got a pouch, you've got the lens hood, okay, you've got the LP-E6 battery, okay, you've got the charger for the battery pack, you've got the body. It is where you put the battery, okay? So basically underneath that body, you'll see a 1/4-inch thread where you insert or attach your tripod. On the side, you'll find the mic slot, the headphone slot. You've got this intervalometer slot as well. However, you might find yourself not using this because the camera already has a built-in capability on shooting time-lapse. Moving on, this slot for the HDMI and the USB, okay? So again, the camera EOS R system uses a Type-C cable. Underneath that is the HDMI out. So this is the off-on button, the hot shoe, where you insert some of your devices such as external mics or speed lights, or they call it sometimes flash. By the way, this camera does not have a built-in flash, so I never use built-in flash anyway. I would rather buy an external speed light because that's way better, way powerful, and you can tilt it upside sidewards and bounce the light on the ceiling. You can also put some filter, or you put a diffuser on your speed light to get that soft light rather than having a harsh light, those shadows, unless you're aiming for that kind of result. So on the side of that hot shoe mount, you'll see a small LCD screen where the system shows you some of the information such as the time value, or the shutter speed, the aperture value, and the manual. Again, I'm not going to go into details of that one. So you've got this typical shutter button, you've got the FM button, you've got this mechanical dial, you've got this lock button, the mode button, you've got the record button, which is customizable. The touch panel is basically too sensitive according to some of the pro photographers, but I might disable that, or I might find myself using that as well. I may customize that into something useful, but along the way I'll just find how I'll be able to use it. On the side of that, you'll find the info button, you'll find the set button, the play button. Underneath that, the sign for the bin, which is obviously the sign for deleting the data. Now, on the other side of the camera, you'll find where to insert your card or memory card. Open that, there you go. So there you go, guys. That's the EOS R system unboxing. I hope you like it. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Consider liking, subscribe for me to continue this channel. Bye.